Okay, guys, I'm gonna show you something. Do these two things look the same? This one's much more detail than Serpello's chainsaw mucky. So, smash that like button and I'll be happy. If you don't, I'll come to your house. And subscribe to my video.